Today I'm going to be sharing with you a new bag. It's actually a collaboration from LV and Takashi Murakami back in the day. So this is a vintage piece that I just acquired, and I didn't really just acquire it, but I've been using it for the last 2-3 months, and I would like to share it with you. And I've got myself another multicolored piece. So this is a black multicolor Greta bag that is not a limited edition, but this is actually from 2016 actually. So I really love this design because it's just like a really nice hobo bag. I think what really stood out was the fact that there's actually a nice zipper corner over here. I saw that there were a couple of YouTubers that was reviewing this bag and absolutely love this piece already. I think what really stood out was the hardware, that's not too much, and it was a hobo style, and the fact that I can actually fit so much over here. There is also some feet here as well, and I think what really drew me to this piece was the fact that the price was really good and the condition is just super amazing as well. So I got this through a reseller, and this was, I think it took like a month to come, and I just love this piece because it's in an amazing condition. I've got this for, I think it was like $700 or something, 700 Singapore dollars, so it was really a steal. And I mean, for the whole hardware and everything, you can tell that the last person definitely hasn't used this so much. I've stuffed the bag with a lot of paper stuffing. I've actually put a bag organizer in there. This is a bag organizer that is from another bag, and it's actually a very soft bag. It is actually quite heavy, so I think it's about 800 grams. So I think if you fill it in, definitely there's some weight to it as well. How it looks like, really nice piece, and I've actually put it all the way to the end. So this is actually how it looks like when it's at its longest, and this is how it looks like when it's not stuffed. So I've got my Muji water bottle. This is like 900 mls. Can fit a really large water bottle. Okay, Dior cosmetic pouch. I've got my baby wipes. Got my iPad as well, perfectly. The iPad doesn't jut out, which is perfect. Already I could feel the weight. It's actually quite heavy. Let me see if it actually fits a laptop, which I don't think it does fit my laptop, but I've not tried it. Let's try. Right, it doesn't. Okay, so for anybody who's thinking of trying to fit a laptop in here, it doesn't. This way, if you really want to force things in, you can. Let me try to zip it up as well, and I can actually remove this entire strap, and I could actually do it almost like a crossbody style, but I don't plan to wear it this way. I think this way as a nice shoulder carry, side shoulder carry is perfect. And you can actually change up the strap to put it the other way as well. So because I usually wear this on my right shoulder, you'll notice that the clasp is actually showing. So what I can do, if you prefer to have the clasp just behind, you can just change it up as well. So anybody's got a Neverfull bag and wanted to know the difference in terms of the sizes, then here you go. This is how it actually looks. This is the side-by-side comparison. The Neverfull MM would be about, definitely the Neverfull can fit a little bit more as well because it comes with an open top. Let's say if you're really looking for a nice multicolor and you don't want to pay like $3,000 to $5,000 for the new ones, and it's pretty hard to get as well. It's literally still out of stock. Sometimes they do stock it up on the online, but it often comes up with like an error page it still does, you can consider getting it pre-loved as well. So I've got a really good reseller. I'm really happy. I think I've reached purse piece for multicolor pieces, and I'm so happy that I've got a big one as well. Anybody is interested in the Priscilla white multicolor, this is how it looks like. If you are somebody who tends to gravitate towards white instead of black, then this is the difference. This one is a little bit more worn out. I've actually stuffed it with some stuff, otherwise it's just going to be a little bit beaten up looking. It actually has like a little bit of tearing here already, but it's fine. This bag is a crossbody style. It's actually a little bit more dirty for sure as compared to this, but this comes a little bit cheaper. I think this was like $600. Also has like a nice zipper top here. So let me just show you the difference between the Priscilla bag as well as the Greta bag. Can put more stuff here for sure, but it definitely is a bit more shorter as compared to the Greta bag. These are a workout. Even though like I'm carrying it right now, I just feel super heavy because I've got my water bottle right here. So this feels like weights. Really feels like weights. So that is it for my quick sharing of this new in piece. This new in piece that I'm actually loving is my Nike fluffy pouch. So let me just remove this one and put it. It's like a nice kind of fluffy texture going on with some Nike feeling. It's very fluffy, but it's very nice. You can't actually tell that it's Nike, right? If I don't show you. So I've got some back chains here, like this one, then like a gold, then I'll have it here. Yeah, so I tend to like to dress up my bag. So I really like this one. It has like a really big opening. Okay, I've got my pouch here. It's actually not stuffed because I've been changing up my handbags every single day. And I've got a crybaby right here. And yeah, so the thing about crybaby is that if it's pink, yeah, the thing is that don't put it on like a black on black. So that's the reason why I've taken it out, and I plan to just put it on like a leather bag instead, because I don't want to have to deal with color transfer on my dolls. But isn't this really cute? Do you guys collect crybabies? But this is a gift from my cousin, so I absolutely love this one. It just matches my vibe today, isn't it? So that's it for my really quick unboxing. If you want to know a bit more about the multicolor bags or these Nike bag and what I've been loving, let me know as well. I've been using this to work because this can actually fit my laptop. I will show you right now a quick laptop fit. This is my work laptop. I really recommend, if you're ever in the Nike stores, check out this bag. I think it costs about 120-ish Singapore dollars, so that's about like 100 USD for this bag. And it has like a little magnetic closure behind. I use like a back chain or in a little micro mini bag as well from Fendi, and I just dress up the bag. If you like such videos, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down 8th Avenue with you.